I come to CalJam because I need to fill up my cup so I can give to others and just inspire our practice members and just change the health perspective in our community.
I feel like it's my family. You know, chiropractors come from all over the planet to be here, and I feel like I know so many people by face and name, and I just love, you know, how we adjust each other, we talk each other, we hug each other, we love each other.
The amount of star power in this building is just off the charts. And I feel blessed to be able to be out here to take one thing away. And I think the one thing will be is better relationships.
Billy DeMoss, founder of CalJam, Dead Chiropractic Society.
Look at the opioid crisis in this country. Look at the terrible condition of healthcare. Lonely, aging seniors, children with development issues. All of these things are dealt with and helped in chiropractic clinics across the country every day.